Well, we got our new window in a little bit before we left the Brunswick area, and then had to deal with Hurricane Nicole. So it's been several weeks, but this is the first day that the weather's been great, and it's a little cool out. It's about 66 degrees, but no rain, wind's fairly calm. So that's our project for today. We're at the Jacksonville Free Docks, and we are going to install our new window. One of the things we always worry about is that we're never at the mail location when these windows and other things like that arrive. And in the case of the windows, which are not cheap windows, this specifically says in the contract that once you accept delivery, it's yours. Doesn't matter if anything's wrong with it. And we're not there. So the mail service accepts delivery, and there we are, stuck with it. And then we carried around on the boat for weeks. In this case, it's been probably 2 weeks, maybe 3, since we
have no idea what day of the week it is usually.
yeah, we're usually clueless.
Or how many days have gone by.
It's been a while. So if there's anything wrong with the window, we're just out the money, and we worry about that. Now, I will say we get these from Motion Windows out on the West Coast somewhere. In their defense, the last window we got in, the latch, it's a plastic handle and latch, had been broken in shipment. And I contacted the company, and they immediately sent one out to me. And so I installed it, and so they were very helpful, and didn't give me any problems whatsoever. And I just described to them what the problem was, and boom, it was in the mail that day. So, but I don't know what they do if there was a major damage to it. So we're gonna open this one up and cross our fingers. It's a window.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share.
The window's in, fits, looks pretty good.
Yep, I'm just anxious to get them all that way.
Yeah, I like how the window blends in with the window screens that Marie did recently. It really makes it look nice.
So we're doing one window at a time because we don't want plastic on all of our windows. The wind catches the plastic and makes it, suck in and out. And that's why during Hurricane Ian, we put the bar there to keep it from being sucked in and out. Our friends Tammy and Dominic came in yesterday to the marina that we're at, and we had dinner with them last night, which was absolutely awesome. And then Ron and Dominic ran to West Marine this morning, and Tammy and I visited for a little while, which I really enjoyed. And now they've left. So it was a quick hello, goodbye. But we definitely enjoyed the time we had spent with them. So our daughter and her husband and our granddaughter are coming to spend the night and go to see my mom tomorrow, and then they'll be gone. They're gonna spend one night and that's it. Now we're waiting for them to get here.
Cranberry.
Hello.
Marine
You were right.
Traders,
She brought
almonds.
a pillow.
I told you.
What?
You can bring a pillow. You do whatever you want.
She brought a blanket.
have-
Hi.
Oh, yeah, but this is my body pillow.
Hi there. Oh, good to see you.
Let me think about that.
Love you.
Where's Marine birthday?
Hi there.
Marine?
Where's the Marine
Oh,
birthday?
just gonna hold on to you, not let you go.
Well, we
don't
contemplated
see
the
you
fly
enough
bridge.
anymore.
Welcome to our restaurant.
Yeah, wow.
Wow, it does look beautiful. Take a picture for, you did? For Maddie, posterity. We gotta, this definitely, yes, that one right here.
Uh-huh. Whose is that?
Mine, they're both mine.
Oh, you ordered two.
Because I like to eat.
That is a lot of food.
I didn't know it was going to be this much on the portions, but I wanted to try both flavors.
Yeah. This one's mine.
You want this a meatball, Daddy?
Sure.
There you go.
Thank you.
It turned out we had one serving of Yuca fries left, so I went ahead and brought those out for you.
These are vegan meatballs, gluten-free vegan meatballs. We're in a Cuban restaurant called Island Fresh. Island Fresh in Jacksonville Beach.
So, yeah.
Jacksonville Beach or Jacksonville? Jacksonville Beach, Florida. Did you get your tummy full?
I am stuffed.
This place was awesome, wasn't it?
It's very good.
The
I'll
flavors
definitely be
were
back.
delicious. Yeah.
But not today because I'm too stuffed.
We got stuff to take home. We got enough for another meal.
Yep.
Hello. It's the hug. It's going to be the combo line of hugs.
This is the GGM receiving line.
You're next.
Hi, great to see you. Got your sandwich.
Road trip. Short road trip. Like an hour one way and an hour back. Uh-oh. Gone.
What's your fries? He said, they have fries. He got one and we didn't. We're gonna have to go get our own.
So we grabbed lunch, but the restaurant inside was closed, and because they were remodeling, so we came to the park. We're at Green Cove Springs, and the squirrels are surrounding us and wanting to steal our food. And they're brave. They're coming up on the table.
Hey. Happy Thanksgiving. Pebbles. Hey.
I'm not. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Hello.
Sometimes my knees don't like to do that. How are you?
I'm doing good.
That's good.
Play mode, then it just apparently I've done a thing.
Thanks for watching.